Hey everyone, and welcome to the 12 days of stickers unboxing. So we do have day 12 with us today. I am going to be counting down with the kits, so we're going to be starting off with number 12. You can still purchase the 12 days of stickers, by the way, so I will link that down in the description. So here's day 12. We're going to open this. And we have the Frosty Winter Kit. This is the essential kit, actually, which is the 4-page version of the kit. This is the sparkle hollow foil, and you guys can see the details on this. So this is a winter kit, and it's perfect for the winter, December, January, whenever you have snow, I guess. There is no snow where I live, but I always like using winter kits anyway. But yeah, so that is what that is. Here is the check boxes and the functional boxes. That's what I call this sheet. So it has like a bit of everything plus half boxes and quarter boxes. And then we have the icons, at least the functional icon place. So it has a bit of everything, which is why this is the essential kit. There is more pages to the kit. If you want the deluxe one, less pages to the kit if you want the mini kit. But yeah, that is day 12. I hope you guys like it, and stay tuned for day 11 tomorrow. And before I forget, we are doing a 12 days of deals, as we did. I think we did this last year. I'm not exactly sure, but I know I did this once. One year. I will do a deal of the day for all of these unboxings, so it's gonna work 24 hours, and the deal goes up at noon, and then it will end at noon the next day. But just letting you guys know, there is a deal of the day. It's gonna be in the description, so make sure you check that, or check all the other socials, because I'll probably post them on there. And I'll see you guys tomorrow for day 11.